All right, let's take a look here at Vertex AI Search. So Vertex AI Search functions as an out-of-the-box RAG system. And when you're using Gemini, it has direct integrations with it. So via the API or via the interface, you can connect your Vertex AI search engine to perform RAG. And the thing that you need to know about Vertex AI Search is what it gives you out of the box. So let's look at a particular ones. The first one is custom search. So this is where you can have structured and unstructured data. You have connectors to different data sources. That could be Google Workspaces. That could be connecting things to BigQuery, to any type of storage within Google Cloud. It could be public sites and things like that. So think of any kind of storage on Google, Google Cloud or Google Workspaces. You're going to be able to ingest that data into your search engine, your vector store, okay? Then you have site search with AI mode. So these are pre-built Google search indexes. So basically you're leveraging Google search's indexes and using AI in order to find structured and unstructured data. So just think of search results basically. Then you have media search, which allows you to search across images, videos, and audio files. I didn't walk through this one completely, so I'm not sure if it can pull things off of YouTube. So I imagine this would be data stored within your bucket or some kind of durable storage. And then you have search for commerce, which is retail search API. So you will get questions on the exam where they're like, hey, can you use Vertex AI search? And they'll like, what are some use cases? And one might literally be like search for commerce, and that would be the answer for that. There is another thing called Vertex search, and it's a bit confusing, and I couldn't make sense of it, to be honest. There's no documentation on the distinction between Vertex search and Vertex AI search. Vertex search, I thought, were the indexes and endpoints that Vertex AI search was using, but it looks like maybe Vertex search came first, and it's a more manual thing, or maybe if you set up custom search, that stuff shows up. So I'm not exactly sure what that is, but on the exam, they're not going to talk about Vertex search. They're going to talk about Vertex AI search, and you'll see in the lab that I'm a little bit confused about Vertex search, which is fair because it's not in the docs and nowhere else, but there you go, okay?